Namaste. Welcome everybody to our Yoga to Health hand washing vinyasa number 1 and 2. The first one is going to be like an affirmation, and the second one, so that'll be in English, and the second one will be a Sanskrit mantra. So I hope you enjoy. There'll be the same sequence of vinyasa hand movements, and that includes the shoulders and the hips as well. So we'll begin. And just a thought for a moment is that for the first one, it's a happy little tune, and yoga teaches that wherever the mind goes, energy flows, and that where the energy reaches your body, the cells respond. So your body is listening to your thoughts. Every cell in your body is listening to your thoughts, and so we're going to have a happy cell song to start with. Please excuse my singing. So first of all, these are the hand movements. The first one is Anjali Mudra, and so you get a bit of soap and you squash it together and then rub the soap firmly. So that's one. There are 4 movements altogether. This is the first one. The second one, you give your shoulders and your hands a good massage. So this is lovely for your thumbs and your wrists. So give them a good massage. So that'll be the second one. The third one is the Ganesh Mudra, which removes obstacles. So this time we're trying to remove any virus elements. So give it a good scratch, massaging your palms, cleaning the fingernails, and then the other side. And then the final one, the webbing of the fingers. So that's what we'll do. So shall we begin? Please excuse my singing. Sing along with me, that'll drown it all out. So are you ready? So we'll get a bit of soap. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every little cell in my body is happy and well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad every cell in my body is happy and well. Well done, everybody. Nice, clean hands. Just notice how energized your hands feel. And then just come back to the breath. We're ready for the second one. So let's just do a little calming breath before we do the second one. Take a moment to notice a breath deep into the belly. And then as you breathe in, lift the energy to your heart. So any anxiety is being lifted, and then just let it go. And then as you inhale, take it over your head. And as you exhale, push it away. So that gets rid of any negative happenings in the mind. Draw it back to the heart, and as you exhale, let go. So shall we do that one more time? So breathing in to the heart space and let go anything you don't need. And breathing in, gathering up any negative thoughts, and breathing out, pushing it away. Inhale and letting go on the out breath. Well done. So welcome to our Yoga to Health hand washing vinyasa part 2. So this one is the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra, which is a wonderful mantra. Every time I go into my green room, which is a place just over there in our garden where there's a big green fig tree and the branches are hanging almost to the ground. And when I sit there and look up, I hear birds eating figs. Sometimes a little bit drops on me, and I can see figs at different stages of development. And some of the figs, if they're not ripe, they're really difficult to get off the branch. The ripe ones are slightly plumper, they're soft, and they easily come off the branch. So this mantra, the Maha Mrityunjaya mantra, is about that. And at this time in our life at the moment, we need to know, to allow our yoga practice to nurture us so we too can easily let go when the time is right. When our yoga practice has helped us to find the fullness, the ripeness, the maturity to help us to let go more easily. So the same vinyasa of mudras, and then we'll do this one together. So are you ready? So, Om try-amba-kam Ya-jaa-ma-he Su-gan-dhim pushti var-dha-nam Ur-vaa ruka-miva ban-dha-naan Mrityor-muk-shi-ya maam-ru-tat. Om try-amba-kam Ya-jaa-ma-he Su-gan-dhim pushti var-dha-nam Ur-vaa ruka-miva ban-dha-naan Mrityor-muk-shi-ya maam-ru-tat. Well done, everybody. So take a moment to just be still. I will put those words on the comment section below the YouTube video. So thank you so much for your company, everybody. Closing now. Namaste. Bless you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.